Hey, it's Steve again. I want to talk about home builders, the way they do construction on homes nowadays. Have you ever noticed when you drive by a new housing project how fast they put the houses up? Did you know that the builder subcontracts the trades subcontractors, air conditioning, plumbing, mechanical, roofing, drywall, painting, to a lot of different subcontractors? And did you know that sometimes, let's take roofing for instance, the home builder gives the contractor to one roofer. He ends up finding another roofer who will do the job for less money than he told the builder. And then that contractor finds another group of guys who will actually do the roof for less price than he told the roofer. So what I'm getting at is that roof might have 3 levels of subcontractors on it. It might not be dealing with the prime subcontractor. There might be 3 more layers, and everybody's taking their piece, their profit off the top as they pass down this contract to do these subdivisions of roofs. So what does that mean? That means that often the people who are installing your roof are semi-skilled laborers at best. They might know how to nail down the shingles. 1 or 2 of them might know how to do the flashing, but often the flashing details are not done the way that they will last long. So we're getting an awful lot of calls from homeowners in homes that are 3 years, 4 years old, and they're starting to leak. The whole house is 3 or 4 years old and it's leaking. Roofs should not leak after 2 or 3 or 4 years after the roof is installed. I mean, it just is not supposed to happen if the roof was installed properly. Now, I'll get it. Every once in a while we get a storm and it damages the roof. I'm not talking about a storm damaged roof. I'm talking about a roof that has not had storm damage, but it's leaking after a short period of time. I know you're not going to believe this, but we sent the crew out to a house to check on a leak that the homeowner wanted us to go see. He had his roofer install the roof 2 weeks ago, and it's leaking, and he called the roofer back, and the roofer will not answer his phone call. I mean, how does that happen in life that the homeowner got a really low price from this roofer, and he thought he was getting a bargain? Now, if the price is too good to be true, there's probably something going on there, So get your estimates, compare your estimates, try to get line item estimate where the contractor's writing everything that they're doing on that roof. That way you'll be able to judge apples to apples. And, somebody that comes in and says they'll do your roof and writes the price on the back of a business card, you're not quite sure what all products and services he's putting into that roof. Call us today, 199roofrepair.com, 844, the word leak, LEAK, 199.